Welcome to another Apex Rocketry unboxing video. We just got a package in the mail today from Estes. We're going to see what they sent us. I have a feeling this is a new rocket that maybe is about to come out or just came out. Either way, I think it's going to be exciting. So let's take a look here, see what they sent us. So we've got a few things in here. Look how well this is packed. They've got the little air cells in here to keep everything safe so it doesn't bounce around. We've got some, this is motors. I know that. It'll always come in a separate box. Let me just split that open. We'll see what motors we got. And maybe that'll give us a clue as to what the rocket is down there. We have got cool sticker. I think we have one of these already. These go in our range box. That is like one of my favorite stickers. We've got some D12.5 rocket engines. So this is going to be for a nice, maybe a mid-power sort of kit. There's a keychain with a space shuttle on there. Very cool. And we've got a packing note. If I can get this. Whoa, whoa, look out. It says, thanks for ordering from AH. That's who packed this. Hand packed with care by AH. Thank you very much, AH. Now, what we've been waiting for, the rocket. We've got the Red Flare. This soars up to 1,000 meters, or 1,000 feet, 1,000 meters, 1,000 feet on an E12 engine. You can also do this on a D12.5. Hence, we've got some D motors here. This requires a 3/16 inch launch rod, which we have got that. 24.4 inches long, 2.6 inch diameter. That's a BT-80, I think, and has a parachute. Oh, this is a short, stubby rocket. Sweet. Let's open it up. These are my favorite. Let's see what we got. Yep, 24 millimeter engine mount. Got the shock cord, we got retaining rings, we have an adapter so we could do an E or a D with the adapter motor. Got the parachute. There's a hook in here for engine retainer, as well as looks like a plastic launch lug on there, so very cool. Let's take a look at this. This has plastic fins, and this is awesome. So this is the aft section of the rocket. Let's see, decal wise, ooh, that pops. Look at that. Very cool. And got some huge fins and some centering rings or something on here. Oh, nice. Those may be some form of centering ring slash coupler. I love that Mylar finish on there. Look at that fat nose cone. This is spectacular. So in the sunlight, this is going to just sparkle up in the air. That's going to be really cool. Then you put that decal on there. That's going to look amazing. This looks like a real easy build. This kit says it is an intermediate kit, and I believe it. So this should go together really fast. I'm actually going to build this tonight or tomorrow, and then hopefully we can get this launched. I'll do a build video on this. This is really cool. I'm assuming there's probably a coupler goes in here at somehow. One of these pieces here is probably a coupler. Well, I don't want to break the tube here, but right there, there's your coupler. Well, actually, that's for their fins, so that can't be right. I'll look at the instructions. We'll figure it out. But I'm just like a kid at Christmas. So this is going to be a lot of fun. I want to thank Estes for sending us this kit, the Red Flare. Be sure to pick one of these up. I'll put a link in here. But thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the build video. Thanks a lot.